Sean's Kitchen. I teach you how to cook with lightning. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to cook pizza with lightning. Believe it or not, some people still like to cook pizza the old-fashioned way. You know, bread, cheese, tomato sauce. But I like to do it more extreme. So I'm going to cook it with lightning. Okay, watch closely. Pizza. I told you, stop moving the camera. But anyway, it's time to make dessert with lightning. Okay people, this is the most important part, so watch closely. Because I'm going to turn these pile of bananas into water. So that's how you do it, people. Join me next time as I teach you how to cook steak with lightning.